Cryptocurrency replaces the dollar, a game-changer in the financial world. In recent years, the rise of cryptocurrency has sparked a revolution in the global financial landscape. With the emergence of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, there has been growing speculation about whether cryptocurrency will eventually replace the traditional fiat currencies, such as the dollar. This video explores the potential implications of cryptocurrency becoming a dominant force in the financial world and its impact on the future of money. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. The evolution of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency originated in 2009 with the creation of Bitcoin by an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, the digital currency market has expanded exponentially, with the development of various cryptocurrencies that offer unique features and applications. The challenges of traditional fiat currencies. Traditional fiat currencies, including the dollar, are built upon centralized systems controlled by governments and central banks. However, this centralized control exposes them to various vulnerabilities. One significant concern is the risk of inflation, where the value of the currency gradually diminishes over time. Additionally, these currencies can be susceptible to manipulation, as central authorities have the power to adjust interest rates and implement monetary policies. Furthermore, economic crises, such as recessions or financial meltdowns, can severely impact the stability and value of fiat currencies. These inherent weaknesses make them prone to fluctuations and undermine their long-term reliability as a store of value. Advantages of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies possess numerous advantages compared to traditional fiat currencies. One notable advantage is their decentralization, which means they function on a peer-to-peer network without the involvement of intermediaries. This decentralized nature brings about transparency, security, and resistance to censorship. Unlike traditional currencies that rely on central authorities such as banks or governments, cryptocurrencies enable direct transactions between individuals, fostering trust and eliminating the need for intermediaries. This decentralized structure enhances transparency, as all transactions are recorded on a public ledger known as the blockchain. Moreover, the cryptographic techniques employed by cryptocurrencies ensure the security and integrity of transactions, protecting users from fraudulent activities. Ultimately, this decentralization empowers individuals by giving them control over their finances in a secure and transparent manner. The rise of Bitcoin, a turning point. The introduction of Bitcoin brought the concept of cryptocurrency to the mainstream. Bitcoin's decentralized nature, limited supply, and potential for investment attracted significant attention, leading to its widespread adoption and an exponential increase in its value. Cryptocurrency and financial decentralization. Financial decentralization stands as a fundamental principle of cryptocurrency. By removing intermediaries such as banks, individuals gain direct control over their funds, enabling faster and more secure transactions. This decentralized nature empowers individuals, granting them autonomy and fostering financial inclusivity. Without the need for a central authority, cryptocurrency transactions can occur directly between parties, cutting out unnecessary delays and fees. This not only streamlines the financial process but also opens up opportunities for individuals who may have limited access to traditional banking systems. Financial decentralization promotes a more inclusive and accessible financial ecosystem for all. Regulatory and security concerns. While cryptocurrency offers numerous benefits, it also presents challenges in terms of regulation and security. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate and tax cryptocurrencies effectively. Additionally, the digital nature of cryptocurrencies makes them vulnerable to hacking and theft, requiring robust security measures. Cryptocurrency's role in global trade. Cryptocurrency holds the potential to transform international trade significantly. Unlike traditional currencies, cross-border transactions often come with hefty fees and lengthy processing times. However, cryptocurrencies offer a solution by facilitating faster, cheaper, and more efficient global transactions. By leveraging decentralized technology, cryptocurrencies eliminate intermediaries, reducing costs and speeding up transaction settlements. This breakthrough enables seamless and secure cross-border transactions, fostering global economic integration by removing barriers and limitations imposed by traditional financial systems. The ability to conduct borderless transactions efficiently positions cryptocurrency as a catalyst for international trade revolution. The potential for a cryptocurrency-dominated future. With the increasing acceptance and adoption of cryptocurrencies, the idea of them replacing traditional fiat currencies becomes more realistic. However, it is important to acknowledge the challenges and obstacles that must be addressed for this transition to take place. These challenges include regulatory frameworks, scalability issues, user experience improvements, and widespread education and awareness about cryptocurrencies. Overcoming these hurdles requires collaboration among governments, businesses, and the cryptocurrency community. While the possibility of cryptocurrency dominance exists, careful consideration and proactive measures are necessary to navigate the path toward this transformative future. The future of the dollar, adaptation or replacement? The dominance of the dollar as the world's reserve currency has been a pillar of global economic stability. While cryptocurrency poses a potential threat to the dollar's hegemony, it is more likely that both will coexist in the future, with the dollar adapting to the changing financial landscape. Cryptocurrency and financial inclusion. Cryptocurrency has the power to enhance financial inclusion by providing access to financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations worldwide. With a simple smartphone and internet connection, individuals can participate in the global economy, irrespective of their location or socioeconomic status. The impact on central banks. The rise of cryptocurrency has prompted central banks to explore the concept of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. CBDCs are digital versions of traditional fiat currencies issued and regulated by central banks. These digital currencies aim to combine the benefits of cryptocurrencies with the stability of traditional currencies. Blockchain technology, the foundation of cryptocurrency. At the heart of cryptocurrency is blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across multiple computers, ensuring transparency and security. Beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize various industries, including supply chain management, healthcare, and voting systems. The road to mainstream adoption. For cryptocurrency to replace the dollar and become widely adopted, several factors need to align. These include regulatory clarity, improved scalability, enhanced user experience, and increased education and awareness about cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency's rise as a global financial force has sparked debates about its potential to replace traditional fiat currencies like the dollar. While the future remains uncertain, it is evident that cryptocurrency has introduced a paradigm shift in the way we perceive and transact with money. As technology continues to evolve, it is essential to adapt and embrace the opportunities and challenges that arise. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.